Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your desktop picture in Windows 10. If you guys haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. This helps me grow my channel and post more videos. Okay, let's get started. So first thing we're going to want to do is go to the type here to search right beside the start. And here we're going to want to type in settings. And the very first one, left click. And here we're going to want to go to personalization, left click. And then here in the background, we can either go to a solid color, which would change. You can see already in the background that it's changing color. Or we can go to a picture that we want to change. So I'm going to change a picture. And here you can see Roger Federer. And you can see, take a quick preview first before you accept the changes. Or you can go, you can do fit, stretch, tile. It's a big picture, so it won't work any other way than fill. Or you can even just go to the default ones that Windows offers as well. And one last thing is you can also do a slideshow. So here you would pick the folder that you want to, where you have all the pictures that you want to display. And then here would be change pictures every 30 minutes, or 1 minute, 10 minutes. You could just do 1 minute. And then shuffle would mean just a random order. And then also you can pick if you want to fit, stretch, tile, center, etc. And that's basically it. Whatever your preference is, whatever you see on the preview, I would make sure that it's the exact same as your desktop as well. Thanks for watching. My name's How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.